How to OPT into Domino's pizza email and text offers online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Domino's website. Here, scroll down to the bottom. You'll find the Join the VIP Club option. Simply click on Join the VIP Club. After you do that, it will lead you to this page. Here, you'll find Subscribe to VIP Deals. Add your email. After you add your email in here, add your phone number, your name, select the state you're in, your postcode in local store. Press on I'm not a robot and then press on join. After you do that, you'll get all the offers online. This is how to OPT into Domino's Pizza email and text offers online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.